Alright, what is going on, everybody? I have your daily recap video really early today because I actually didn't sleep last night. Well, I kind of did for like a little bit, but then I stayed awake for the most part. So I'm really tired right now. I'm probably gonna make this video, watch the market for as long as I can right now, and go to sleep because I like getting my screen time in the market every single day. So we're just gonna talk about what I did today. Bro, I'm so tired. Alright, now let me just talk about the summary of what happened today. Now, there was a lot of things busting in the morning, as you can see. Nvidia was ripping really. It was ripping really nice. It was trending to the upside. We had Square, we had PayPal, I think so. I'll show you guys. Facebook as well had a nice run. Disney. There was another one. Oh, Myrna. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Now, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's me or I don't know if it's TOS, but I'm hitting the mid like the mid price for like the options, and I'm not getting filled for nothing, bro. Literally, my most of my orders today they were partially filled for the most part, and if I
Hey
was
gang, you
filled,
gotta talk to
if I
Amazon.
was filled like
Let
fully all the way,
let them know it's time to let go.
give me a second. If I was filled
Yeah,
all the
come on,
way, bro,
Amazon. Take off
it
that
was
vegan.
literally it was literally a horrible price for the contract. Now let's talk about my first trade Facebook. So I bought these Facebooks at see I bought them at 9.39, 350 calls. Let's see. Shit, sorry. So then I bought them at 9.39. I sold them right away though. 9.39. Yeah, right there. I basically bought the top on Facebook and I sold it right away. I came out with a $5 L. But what's crazy is I tried to get filled with like 15 of these Facebooks or like 10 probably. No, it was 10. It was 10. I tried to get filled with 10 and it filled me with 5 only, which kind of saved me. And I only took $1 L per contract, which is crazy. Now it kind of saved me right there, but as you can see throughout the day it's gonna keep on happening. We have coin. All right, so this coin play, I was watching coin because today in Miami there's like this there's crypto meeting, I guess, with like Elon Musk and Ark. You know what I'm saying, like Ark and company. I traded the 245s. They did go up, but there was a bunch of slippage. But I could understand because coin really moves really weird. Like I think I played it off this break right here, and it started drilling down and it started going up, and like I don't know, the premium was weird, but I could understand that one. But let's talk about PayPal. Okay, yes, PayPal, PayPal. I got for PayPal. I played a nice break at a higher day right here. I no off right here. Yeah, 300. I knew PayPal had like a it's like a psychological number with PayPal that every single time it breaks 300, it breaks with like some nice volume. From from this time and then all the way back here. You know, 300 is a really big psychological level for PayPal. So I played that breaks quick scalp. I did the 305 calls from 112. I sold. Listen, I sold 5 literally at 112 again. So I had the scalp with only 5 contracts, and literally it started ripping right after I sold. Because what happened was I saw the I saw the price move, but the contracts didn't update, like they weren't updating yet, and I got spooked because most of the time, well, sometimes when that happens, you usually like my I don't know why, but my chart is delayed, I guess, and a red candle will come out of nowhere, and you will see like people try to sell and like lower the price of the contract. It's hard to explain, but it's like a delay or something like that that other people tend to see like the updated price first than me, even though I have real time, no delay on TOS. You know what I'm saying? So I was kind of scared. I sold five out of there and I held five. I'm usually really comfortable with holding five contracts. I need to weigh off buying ten contracts, because taking an L on a trade with five contracts and they're worth $100 each is way better than taking an L with 10. You know what I'm saying? It's a big difference right there. So I lowered my positioning right there at the worst time. It ripped a little bit, and I came up a good $64. It was pretty good. So if I would have held those other five and sold that high, let's say theoretically, I would have made a good like 150 off that one trade, which was a really good trade. It was a really quick scalp. Now we could talk about Myrna. Bro, this Myrna premium, I deadass couldn't catch this shit for nothing. I was trying to catch it throughout this whole move. I couldn't catch it at all. Once I got filled, it was a horrible price. It was a horrible price with five, and I sold out right away at 70, and then I bought back in. Wait? Yeah, I bought back in, and then I sold. Bro, literally, Myrna was a mess, bro. Like literally, it says I came up $11, but all those $11 went to premium right there. It was horrible. Now STC was a really good trade. I'm in a group chat in a Discord, and somebody called it out really early. She got the I think she got the 7.5 for like 8 cents each, and I was really late on it. I tried to pick up the eight to see if there was a move on it, and I sold out right away. It was being really choppy, but now we're seeing like a little bit more volume because I think the Nigerian I think he was talking about it today or something like that. So I sold right away for like a $10 dub. Probably all of that went to commission. These fills are really costing me like my positioning, because like literally like if I get a good fill, like I'm not scared if the premium moves around a little bit, but if I get filled like literally at the worst price, I'm gonna have to like be really strict with my stop loss. And I'm really strict with my stop loss now, especially because we're in this market that it's like really, you like from like hour to hour, like the trend is really different. So you always gotta keep a tight stop loss. It's not like the other day that for like the past 2 weeks, like the market has been mooning crazy. Let me see. You have to have a really tight stop loss in like these market conditions. All right. So let me just stop talking about all this bullshit, because literally all this is dead ass is bullshit. All of this is just horrible order fills and slippage. So we could talk about the worst slippage right here, but it was probably my best trade right here. CCIV. It started drilling crazy. I had these levels from yesterday. Second. I had these levels from yesterday. It started ripping yesterday hard. There was news on it about a vote merger or something like that. I don't know. It was something to do with a vote yesterday, and it started pumping. And today, I guess they don't have enough votes or something like that, or there isn't enough participation within the votes. So it got a lot of negative news right there. So I pulled up these 23 and a halves. Literally, bro. Hold on. I'll show you guys. I try to catch the premium, because once it broke this level right here with that candle, I was like, oh yeah, it's time for some drillage. It's drilling for oil. I try to get filled all the way like from like 50 to like all the way up here, and from 69 to 78, I was dead ass just trying to get filled, just hitting the mid price, It wasn't filling me at all. It literally filled me. Look, that was me right there. I got filled at 92 cents. That's a 12-cent slippage right there. That's crazy, bro. So immediately, I mean, the premium didn't say I was down right away because the premium was moving like to my favor like really fast. But you know what I'm saying? That's a 12-cent. Look at that, 12 cents right there. With 12 contracts, that's already $140 L right there. Well, $140 P&L because I still haven't closed my position, but you know what I'm saying? $140 L. So what I did was, I mean, I just held it because I just saw that drillage, and then once I saw this candle, I was like, oh nah, it's about to start drilling crazy. And the 5 minute showed like that huge candle. It finally wicked out in the end, but you know what I'm saying? It was showing huge confirmation that it wanted to drill for oil. Um, we could talk about how I got out. All right, so I got really scared with that fill, so I sold for five of them at like 105, really cheap because I didn't want to like keep my so much exposure and such a big position there and such a bad price. Like I was literally looking at these contracts when they were so cheap, and it started just dumping. I sold a couple at 114. I sold most of them at or four of them at 124 to 114 type. You know, it was a really good scale out on this trade. I wish I could have got a way better fill on it. It would have been a way better trade. I came up right there 235. I mean, if I would have got the fill that I was supposed to get right there, especially because I was literally there like trying to get like I was literally paying high like I was paying 79 and it filled me at 92. If I would have got that fill, bro, I definitely would have made 450 to $500 in this trade. Now, these are the type of trades that I wait the whole entire week for. I don't know why, but when it comes to puts and bad news, like literally, I'm literally like that's one of my best methods. One of my best Momo trades. I'm sorry, bro. I literally can't speak because I'm so tired. My best Momo trades right there, bro. I don't know why, but puts literally work amazing with me when there's like news like behind it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that happened, and you know there was a lot of moves in the market today that I missed out on, and all this was really bad. It's probably due to my part because I probably should have just got filled way earlier instead of like trying to chase like once the premium starts moving. But like I said yesterday in my video, well last night, I said that I was gonna follow trend. I wasn't gonna follow dead stocks. You know, I was gonna try to play Disney earlier, but literally it's literally dead, bro. Like I was gonna play it off this level right here, 176.15. But this premium is not busting. What is that, like 15 or 20 cent move right there? Like that's not really a lot for like the amount of risk that I was gonna take, especially because it started drilling earlier. I was gonna play puts once it broke this level right here, but I wasn't at my trading desk at that time, so I wasn't able to capitalize off that move. But those puts went crazy. Now that's basically my plan for the rest of the week. I'm gonna just follow momentum, bro. And once I see stuff like Square or Nvidia or something big like that, like the bigger chip names, I'm definitely gonna try to get in on those earlier. I saw a lot of flow on it earlier. I could have got in way better way better strike prices and way cheaper for like all these names, but I just waited and waited, and then I just ended up playing like all of these stocks right here, which PayPal was really good, and Coin. I did have a great idea that it was gonna pump because of the Bitcoin thing today, but like the premium was moving weird, and PayPal as well. Like PayPal is moving, I guess for Bitcoin reasons. I don't know. I don't know, but you know, I had the good I mean, I had the right idea for today. I just didn't execute it as well as I wanted to. Today could have been a great day. Although it's a beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're green, it's a nice day. It's a nice day. You know what I'm saying? Never try to talk down on a green day because a green day is perfect. But I know that with better execution tomorrow and in the upcoming future, I could get really bigger and nicer returns for the amount of time that I've been staring at these charts, man. And I'm so tired right now. I'm about to knock out. Literally, since I posted that video last night, I dead ass didn't sleep. I don't know why. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna get some sleep, and then I'm probably gonna chart up late at night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.